Commercial fertilizers are commonly used to supply nutrients for crop production, but can become expensive. To save money, farmers can use manure as a fertilizer to add nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus. Manure nutrients and commercial fertilizers don't always stay on the field and instead can end up in nearby rivers and streams with runoff. With too many nutrients, algae overgrowth or harmful algal blooms can occur. Algal blooms can have a big impact on the Great Lakes watershed. For instance, when decomposing, blooms consume oxygen fish need to survive and can affect the quality of drinking water.
We have to be excellent stewards. There's nutrients in this manure right here, and we want to, number one, protect those nutrients. We don't want them running off because it takes a lot of money with fuel, wear and tear on machinery to get the manure out where it needs to be. So we need to wisely manage all the resources and capture all those nutrients.
The Michigan EnviroImpact Tool shows daily runoff risk across the state, and farmers can use this decision support tool to plan short-term manure application. The runoff risk forecast is derived from real-time precipitation and temperature forecast from the National Weather Service. The information is combined with snowmelt, soil temperature and moisture, and other landscape characteristics to forecast runoff events. With the map, users can project the runoff risk for the next 24 hours. Daily forecasts up to 3 days are possible by clicking on the Map Layer section. A 7-day forecast is also available by clicking directly on the map. However, the tool becomes less accurate in predicting runoff risk as forecasts move beyond 24 hours. The runoff risk range from low to severe. The tool also features a winter condition mode, which is determined by daily average snow depth or frozen soil temperature. With this free online tool, users can create alerts for specific locations around Michigan and have them sent automatically as an email or text. Tutorials help users learn how to interact with the map, create an account, and make an alert for a specific location. Visit the website and learn more about how the Michigan EnviroImpact Tool can help you save money while protecting our Great Lakes.